loves! In today's video, I have teamed up with Reina Rebelde to bring you guys a Dia de los Muertos inspired makeup tutorial. Now, as the video goes on, I will explain more of what Dia de los Muertos is and what it truly means to me. Dia de los Muertos is very, very special and important to me for multiple reasons, but I do want to let you guys know that Reina Rebelde is now available at Target, so make sure to snag some of these products, which I will link down below. And don't forget, if you would love to recreate a Dia de los Muertos look and add your own twist to it, make sure to hashtag RR times Dia de los Muertos for a chance to win a $100 gift card towards Reina Rebelde products. But without further ado, shall we get started with this video? Okay, I have already prepped my face, and now I'm going to get started with a very light base. And now I am going to seal the deal here with some translucent powder so we can apply all our color. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. Now I'm going to be taking this lipstick in the shade Tatuaje. Now I'm going to outline my eye. I'm going to get started with the quad in Salvaje. Now this is a really unique formula because you can use these dry or you can wet these and get even more pigmentation, which is amazing. I'm going to be using a few colors on here, and I'm going to be using some dry and some wet.
So what I'm doing is I am taking this purple and I'm going to start off by blending this in the upper part of my eye, a little bit above my eyebrow here. That's why I did this outline, so I can kind of have a guide as to where I'm going to apply this purple. And then I'm going to bring it down under my eye, and I'm going to blend this. It's going to look a bit messy, but once our finished look is done, it's going to look all put together. I'm doing the same exact thing to the other side as well.
Now I'm going to be taking this lipstick in the shade Salvaje.
And now with this pink, I'm going to apply it the same way that I've applied the purple. And I'm going to tie these two colors together. Now, Dia de los Muertos is a very important date. And I not only say that it's only on these couple of days that is celebrated from October 31st to November 2nd, honoring and remember them throughout the rest of our lives. However, on this particular day, we do gather around with friends and family and just remember all these amazing memories that they left behind and eat food, have a special mass for them, go visit them at the cemetery. And the best part is that we can all be together as a family gathered around on this very special day. This black brush, I am going to get this brush wet and I'm going to be applying this black and blending this all together throughout my eye.
I'm going to be mixing the yellow with the orange using the same Salvaje palette, and I'm going to be applying this on the top here and the bottom here. And once again, with a clean brush, I'm going to be wetting the brush and digging into this black to outline my eye. Now with that same black one, I'm going to outline my nose.
As a Latina, collaborating with a Latina-owned makeup brand, this truly plays a huge part of my life because I have someone that I can relate to with my culture and the way we celebrate. It's truly amazing, and I am seriously fortunate to be doing something like this that has so much meaning to me.
Now I'm going to be taking this liquid liner in Zapatista, and I'm going to be drawing these little circles around my eyes.
Once I am done drawing these little circles, I'm going to be adding some little golden gems. You really can't see them because they are very tiny, but I added these little gems all over.
After after that, I am just going to take a little bit of glitter and apply this all over my face. Again, with a damp brush, I'm going to be dipping back into the black.
For Day of the Dead, we normally gather around with our families, and we have a huge mass dedicated to our loved ones, and we normally have that mass on November 2nd, and then we go to the cemetery to visit any of our family members that have passed, and we just dedicate a full day there. We go out to eat and gather around and celebrate and pray and just be with our family, enjoying and remembering. What's finished doing here is I did some teeth all over my mouth, and then I am going to be outlining them with this black eyeliner. And what I'm just finishing up here is I am adding a little more detail around my face, and I'm just adding little lines everywhere and seeing where I should add more things.
I'm going to add a little more detail to my face. And now I'm going back with my Rosa Salvaje, and I'm going to apply this to my lips. Now I'm going in with Enchufada, applying this to the center of my lips. I'm going back with Tapatia.
We just take a moment to appreciate the little detail in every little packaging of Reina Rebelde products. I've been using Reina Rebelde for a while now, and I actually discovered them when they were barely getting started, and I came across them on Instagram, and that's how I found them. And my first purchase from them was actually the blush and contour trio with the eyeliner, and I've been in love ever since. The fact that they are owned by a Latina that is a hard-working boss lady is truly amazing. And not only that, but their products are cruelty-free, so that is a major plus for me. So now what I am doing here is I'm going to be drawing my little bones here and just kind of adding a little bit of detail. I love doing my Catrinas and painting the bottom as well black, because I feel like if I only do my face, it doesn't bring out my Catrina so much. So I feel like this gives it a pop of color. Wouldn't be Reina Rebelde without its signature sacred heart. So I'm adding these nail milagros, which are these little nail stickers, and I'm adding a sacred heart to my nails.
Alrighty loves, and that is basically it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun recreating this makeup look for Dia De Los Muertos. Dia De Los Muertos holds a very special place in my heart, and I hope you guys create your Catrinas and Dia De Los Muertos inspired makeup. If you do and you would love to participate in winning a $100 gift card for Reina Rebelde products, make sure to use the hashtag RRX Dia De Los Muertos in order to participate. And I really want to thank once again Reina Rebelde for giving me this amazing opportunity, for always believing in me, and for making me part of this. It truly means the world to me. And don't forget that you are now able to grab your favorite Reina Rebelde products at your local Target. And with that, loves, I will see you all next time.